So everybody knows if you have 1 million views or a large audience, you can make some pretty decent money on YouTube. But what do you do if you're a small YouTube channel or you're just starting out? In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 practical ways to make money on YouTube, even if you have a small audience or channel, and also share some advanced tips. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity, and we're all about how to build your brand, image, and business online through social media marketing. If you enjoy videos just like this one of how to build your YouTube channel, to start a business, and how to make money online, consider subscribing down below. So we're going to run through 5 practical tips of how you can earn money online with a small YouTube channel. So the first one is probably a fairly obvious one, but we do need to talk about it, is YouTube ads. YouTube ads is a way of making money. It's probably my least favorite way to make money online because there are requirements now. In terms of the money that you can make, generally speaking, you're going to make around $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. So in terms of the value you get back from your YouTube videos, and also just when you're starting out with a small YouTube channel, the revenue from your YouTube ads is going to be relatively low, but it is a great way to make money, and as soon as you can get monetized, the better, so you can start putting ads on your videos to earn even more money than you could. If we did want to look at that as a simple example, if you were getting $2 per 1,000 views and you wanted to earn $500 in a month, that's going to be around about 250,000 views that you would need in a month to earn $500. Now, when you look at it like that, a lot of larger audiences, they can reach that in one video. For a smaller channel, maybe a bit out of your range. I'm not saying that you definitely can do that as a small channel, but if you were wanting to know how many views you needed to make that in 1 month, you would need around about 250,000 views to reach that goal. That being said, this is just the least favorite way of how I would earn money through YouTube as a small YouTuber, but it is one of the 5 ways that you can make money online, so it is worth mentioning. That being said, as a small YouTuber, you do need the requirements to be monetized on YouTube, which can be a daunting task. So let's move on to the next one. Number 2, and probably one of the more used ones as a small YouTuber, is affiliate marketing. Now, this is awesome because you can have all sorts of different affiliates that you use. A main one would be Amazon, but you can also use eBay. There's actual websites that allow you to do affiliate marketing through them as well. But probably one of the main used ones would be Amazon, and I would recommend using Amazon to get affiliate marketing. Now, with everything going on in the world, unfortunately, they have decreased their percentage that you do receive from your affiliates, so it's a lot lower than it once was, but that is going to increase at some point as well. So affiliate marketing is still a great way to be earning money through YouTube. Affiliate marketing is actually a lot more money than you realize. And how it works is you find a product that you're wanting to do a video about, and then you can actually find a link on Amazon that you share on your YouTube page. If people use that link to purchase the product, then you make a small commission of that sale. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to share the link on your page, and then that's how they know that that was your affiliate link. You're the one that brought them to Amazon. And another really cool tip is if they click on your link and that person does go ahead and buy something, not necessarily that product, but if they clicked on your link, then you will actually still receive commission from that sale. So it's really cool to know that it doesn't have to be that particular product that they purchase. Just as long as they click on that link, then you will make a percentage of the sale from that person that clicked on the link. So it adds up. It may only be $2, $3 here or there. It does depend on the type of product, will depend on the commission that you get, and the cost of the product will depend how much you get as well, because a percentage of a more expensive product, you're going to get a bigger commission as opposed to a cheaper product. Even if you have a higher percentage, it's not going to be as much as a more expensive product. That being said though, any kind of product that you see an opportunity to do affiliate links for, definitely recommend doing that. And the cool thing about affiliate marketing is there's no pre-requirements. The only thing is you do need to make sales within the first 3 months, otherwise they do cancel your account. That being said though, not really an end of the world type of thing, because you don't really need it if you're not making money. But it's definitely a great way to make money as a small YouTuber, and I would highly recommend it. So make sure you go ahead and get an affiliate marketing link right now so you can take advantage of this great way to make money right now. Third way to make money on YouTube is to sell your own merch or products. Now there's a lot of other YouTubers out there that do this. A lot of them will be mostly merch. If we look at Kevin David, for example, he has his merch that you can buy, mostly t-shirts and things like that. You don't need to have a huge range of merch, as long as you just have some kind of merch that you can actually sell. People are going to see that you're repping it on your channel, and they are able to go ahead and support you by purchasing your merch. My advice would be is to find merch that you can actually sell at relatively cheap. You can actually use Amazon, and how it works is you just create the product, they make it, they ship it, they do all of that for you. Another great one is Teespring. Teespring, once again, you just create the merch and they do all the rest for you. So these are two great ways that you don't have to worry about creating the merch yourself. All you have to do is create the design and they handle the rest for you, and then you get a profit based on the sale. So it's another great way to make money online. The other one to look at would be, if we look at Catherine Manning's channel, she actually has digital products that you can purchase. So there will be some kind of blueprint or something like that you can purchase to help you grow your YouTube channel or whatever it might be. Is another really good way to sell digital marketing. There's no physical product that you have to create. All you have to do is come up with some kind of blueprint or something that's going to help people that they can purchase, and is another great way to use the advantage of your small audience to actually start bringing in revenue and helping you support your channel, so that at the end of the day you can do this as a full-time job, and you can do that with a small audience and a small channel. Tip number 3 would be brand deals. Now, a lot of people think that you need a huge audience, you need to be a huge YouTuber for brands to even look at you. This is actually not the case. You can actually take advantage of being a small YouTuber, and they're actually more than likely going to want to choose you, as long as you have a really good following and they feel like they're going to get something back from them using you as a sponsor or a brand deal. They know that their product is going to see views and it is going to bring them value as well. Then they're more likely to go towards a small influencer. It's a really great advantage of being a small YouTuber. They're actually going to pick you over a larger influencer more often than not, because they all have their own things going for them. They may not want to work with that particular sponsor. So they're actually looking for people just like you, a small channel where they can get their product out there. They can take advantage of using you as a small influencer to reach people that they wouldn't be able to reach, and it's just a great way to get their product out there. So brand deals is actually really good for small influencers. They actually say 82% of brand deals are from your small YouTubers. Now bear in mind, guys, that this is not meaning if you have 100 subscribers, you're not a small YouTuber, you're just a channel starting out. You do need an actual audience, and then they can actually see that they're going to have an audience that they can reach with their product, and they're more likely to choose you over someone who has very few to no audience. Number 4 is using websites like Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a website where your audience can support you and you can actually give them exclusive behind the scenes type footage. It allows them to be able to see extra information about you, and they pay a small monthly fee, and you can choose what that fee is. So it could be as low as $1 to $5, even $20 if you wanted to. And they're just they're a Patreon that joins, and they have access to your Patreon page that has like behind the scenes videos. They may get like free merch, all of that kind of stuff. There's benefits that they get for paying that small fee per month, kind of like if you were joining Netflix and you get access to their videos. Same thing for Patreon. They pay a small fee and they get the advantage of seeing all this exclusive content that only your Patreons get, and it's just another great way to make extra money online. And if you really start to get a bit of an audience going, you can actually really start to make some decent money just for your Patreon alone, and it can really add up to have a solid income from all of your 5 streams of income. So Patreon is really great. Once again, it's free, there's no pre-requirements, and it's just a great way to start making that extra money and allowing your audience to just give back. And it's like anything, it's like Twitch, people can give you donations and stuff like that. It's not quite a donation, but you can look at doing donations and things like that as well. But Patreon would be my recommendation, because it's a great way for them to get exclusive content that they just pay a small fee for, and it's kind of like they're like your exclusive viewers, and they just have these advantages that they get from joining your Patreon. So it's another great way to make some extra money, and I would highly recommend adding that to your streams of income, just because why not? And it just gives you something to kind of give back to your viewers, as well as some great way to give them some extra behind the scenes footage. So guys, that is your 5 tips of how you can actually make money, 500 plus per month, with a small YouTube channel, I would highly recommend taking advantage of these 5 ways to start making money as a small YouTuber. It's a really good way to start getting your influence out there. So definitely look into these 5 ways and start taking advantage of them. There's no reason just waiting on that monetization on your YouTube videos when you can actually start making some really good money through these other streams of income. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you found this video helpful. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace out.